here that we're going to use to spin around. Traffic jam here for a little bit. Oh yeah, that's a burner for sure. Get our left facing arrows going here. Oh yeah, all right, that'll be pretty easy. We'll should be able to just cut it right there. Well, maybe not. Separated though. That's good, I guess. All right, yeah, that's a burner for sure. All right, well, Dad looks like he's talking to the owner of the truck, probably getting information and whatnot, but we'll get back with you here on camera when we come up with a game plan of how we're gonna tackle this. See you in a bit. Yeah, it's in the chain box. Then I got my Sawzall. I think the Sawzall will do that. This thing's gonna be way up in there. Well, it's gonna have to be level. We're on a downslope. Hey, yeehaw, baby. Guess we can come up. Okay, that should be good. Okay, so let's climb up here, get our chain bridle. Brr, chilly. Let's do it like we always do it. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad. Lock white in. Okay. Jeez. Alright, let's get down. Yeah. Got the chop saw here just in case we need to do some cut. Is there a hole in the frame on this side? That'd be nice. There it is. Okay, change plans. We're not doing it that way. Do it a different way. Big, nice big holes in the frame that we can just hook into. We'll do it that way. Find a spot to sneak through, hook on. gotta be careful booling anywhere but here or off the back, because yeah, well, that corner sticks out in the traffic loop. So I don't want to rotate any further that way. Huh?
You plan to go to the center? How you plan to?
I'm gonna hook here, and then there's 2 holes in the frame up there that I'll do that side with. I'm gonna use chains out of the chain carousel.
Are you hooking to here with the other chains? Or are you gonna hook the other chains?
With on the blue.
Oh.
Using this spring, the shock mount to actually hold our chains from sliding forward. We're also going to use the fifth wheel, or the trailer frame rail itself too, to hold it, but the majority of it's going to be done by this here. Okay, there's that. We can't really do the same thing on the other side, so try something a little different. Hey, hey, hey. Yeah. White's locked, blue's free. Pretty center there. Wow, I'm just getting it centered. All right, coming in on yours. Well, it's gonna. That's all I can do. What? That's all I can do. Well, it's gonna rotate.
Are you sure? Yeah. Oh, okay. Now I like it.
You like it now? I don't like that twist. Get that. It'll straighten out. It's fine. Well, no, because that one's got more chain to go around the frame. This one's just hooked directly. Yeah, so tighten yours, Roberto. Oh, I thought you meant tighten this side, sorry. Okay, ready?
I like that.
I think I like it. All right, so we're short jacked right now, so watch the truck, okay? Huh? How's the truck look? All right? Truck look all right, dude? Huh? You want me to get a picture? The load, good back there, the back? I'm trying to break it. There it goes. It's right on top of the... Yeah. That's you. Huh? Yep. He's all the way back. Pull this out. Huh? I'm just talking to myself. Okay. What about the front? What do we got up there? It's pretty straight there, but I'm boomed off the corner a little bit, so that's why it's this side kicking. But I think it's up there. Hey, we're up. We're up. Well, I'm gonna. Yeah, do you feel that wind? This thing took off.
It's gonna be hard to get a center
boss member up there. You do that side, and I'll do this side. You got those tag lines. You probably should use them. They're on there. It's already on there. Yep, yeah, come on back, nice and slow. Yep, all right, Alex, you're good. Straight back. Yep, yeah, keep coming, keep coming. Yep, you're good, you're good, you're good, you're good, you're good, you're good, you're good. Okay, nice and easy, nice and easy. Keep coming, Alex. Alright. I'm going nose down. Okay. Hang on, we're gonna go on the top deck. Okay, alright. Come on back. Well, it's not gonna clear the top deck. Yeah, keep coming. We can set it right. Alright, you're good. Stop. Huh? Down. Calling someone. Oh, calling distance. What's that? Yeah, copy, Manny. Let me go ahead and pull out here and get us a break, and then you go ahead and go, and then Alex follow. Pull out here right now. You got this card passing you, and then it's all you.
Therefore, I'm going in front, Alex behind.
Yeah. Alright, Alex, go ahead and follow. We'll just stay in the right lane here. Alright, guys, we're in tow.
Yeah, take your headlights on. Man, you guys are done? I thought I was on my way up. Jeez, that might be one more helper. Is that right? Imagine that. If 6 days didn't get it done, maybe 7 would do it. I see a lot of shit flying out here.
Yep, you got a lot of debris, so kind of just keep this speed.
I'm gonna put my flashers on.
Nah, I got it back here. You're all right. All right, so we're just gonna kind of take it nice and slow until we get back to the yard.
Alright, fellas, what street do you want to go?
We're gonna go get off at Dillon. We're gonna make a left onto Dillon, go under those bridges, and then up over the overpass back to the yard.
Copy that. How fast? 25, 35, 45?
Oh, copy. Right here, 25 is pretty good for now. We still got a lot of debris flying around. All right, guys. Well, I think I'm gonna get back with you when we start getting under the bridges. We'll get everything. We'll get a good look at that. So I'll see you guys here in a second. All right, guys. We're coming up to our first bridge overcrossing. All right, Alex. I'm gonna hold my lane back here. Kind of watch as you turn under the bridge.
Definitely, yeah. What's up, man?
Go ahead, Manny. Go ahead. You got some cars piling up behind you. Just pull up to the side up here.
What does it look like right now? Do you think I'll clear it?
I think so. I'll watch from back here. Yeah, you're clear. About a foot. Alright, go ahead and grab this left lane here because we're going to have the street signs coming up.
Is that bridge the same height as the other one?
Yeah, you're actually looking pretty good here. Probably won't. You wouldn't clear it, but it's not that far over. That street sign up here though. Stay left. Left light. Alright, you're clear. Yep, you're good.
Am I good? I can't see the glare of your headlights like me.
Yeah, you're good. Home sweet home.
I never noticed those lights down below the cab, man. That looks pretty nice.
Yeah, they're new. I forgot to turn them on out there.
Here, let me help you. Yeah, turn the lights on. There you go.
Give you guys the... There's my new lights. Alright guys, well Alex is going to back that in, and we're gonna park it for the night and head home, get some sleep, and then we'll be back to offload tomorrow and get our trailers freed up. But for now, we're gonna go get some sleep. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments what you thought about the video. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.